bless you. Gee bless you. Gee bless you. Those were sneezes, Mum. I'm sorry about that. It's the air conditioning in here.
The visitors sneezing in the water today.
Really? You noisy thing.
I've never known a little baby with such a forward-back wriggle motion. Say your daddy. Cuckoo. Are you using your socks? Are you using your socks?